Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now students, let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about missing numbers. Now students, let's do an activity of missing numbers. Firstly, we read the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now students, I pick some numbers from outside. Now tell me students, which number is missing? What comes before 2? 1. Very good. So place it 1 here. 1, 2 and 4. Which number is missing? 3. So place it 3 here. Next see 4, 6. Which number is missing? 5. So place it 5 here. Next number is 6 and 8. The missing number is 7. So place it 7 here. 8, 10. Which number is missing? 9. So place it 9 here. Now students, let's start a story on missing number. The missing ducks. Once upon a time, in a house called Quack Quack, there lived a duck family. One day, the mother duck asked her kids to go to school. All the ducklings said, "No, no." The kids were really upset. But a mother duck insisted the duckling to go to school along with her, and the duckling followed on the way to the school. Mama duck heard some splishing loud sound. She immediately turned back, and the duckling, she was scared when she found that one of duckling is number 3 is missing. After searching for some time, she found the missing duck 3. Duckling on the bank of the river duck. The mama duck felt happy. Duckling joined the other duckling, counting the rest of the duckling. She was worried again when she found out the another duckling, number 6, is missing. Duck found duckling playing with the lotus flower. Mama duck was happy to see that all our babies were fine. After some time, Mama duck counts the duckling again. She was worried when she found out the one more duckling is missing. Number 9 duckling is missing. Was soon found playing with water, felt happy as the duckling joined the other ones. When the duckling reached the school, they were happy as it was a play school. All the ducklings hugged their mother with love The duckling, along with Mama Duck, plays for a long time and happy to have a lots of fun. I think you all also have fun in your school. Now students, you will found the missing ducklings. Find out the missing duckling, students. One. Now tell me which number of duckling is missing, students?
Ma'am, second number duckling is missing.
Okay, very good. Find the missing duckling.
Ma'am, the sixth number duckling is missing.
Okay, very good. Now students, let's recite a rhyme. 10 little birdies. 10 little birdies sitting on a wall. One tumbled down and had a fall. Now we have just 9 birdies in all. Now we have just 9 birdies in all. 9 little birdies flew to the sky. 9 little birdies flew to the sky. Now there are 8, and you know why. One little birdie did not fly. How to fly? 8 little birdies flew to the window. One birdie hurt its little toe. So only 7 little birdies were able to go. One went to his granny. One went to his granny, and we have 6. Now the other birdies are in a fix. Now the other birdies are in a fix. One birdie got lost, and we have 5. Oh no, one birdie is caught in a hive. 4 little birdies flew to the tree. One stayed behind, and now there are 3. The hunter has caught 1, but 2 are free. 1 has gone to sleep. So how much many are we? I think just 1. I think just 1. But how many do you see? But how many do you see? Students, I hope you enjoyed the rhyme. Now students, I hope you have enjoyed today's session. Students, I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, students. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you.